In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly link to LinkedIn profile. Adding your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile is a simple way to let prospects, clients, or recruiters book time with you without all the back and forth messages. Before we start, make sure you have your public Calendly scheduling link copied to your clipboard so you can paste it quickly. Begin by opening your LinkedIn profile. At the top of your profile, in the introduction section where your photo, headline, and location appear, look for the small pencil icon. This is the edit button for your intro card. Click that pencil icon to open your profile editing panel. Inside this panel, locate the option labeled Edit Contact Info. Click it to open your contact information window. This is where LinkedIn stores your websites, email, phone, and other external links that people can access from your profile. In the contact information window, find and click Add Website. This tells LinkedIn you want to include a new external link that will appear in your profile's contact info section. You'll see a field where you can enter a URL. In the website URL field, paste your Calendly link. Double check that it starts with HTTPS/ and that you're using the correct scheduling page, whether that's a general booking link or a specific event link. A quick check here can prevent broken links or confusion later. If your Calendly pages are set to private or require special access, switch to a public link so visitors can book without extra steps. Once your URL looks good, click Save. This applies your change and adds the Calendly link to your contact info. After saving, close any open dialogues and return to your profile. To verify it worked, click the Contact Info button on your profile and look for the website you just added. Click the link to test it in a new tab and confirm it opens your Calendly page. If you spot a typo or want to swap the link, repeat the same steps to edit or remove it. A few practical tips as you finish up. Keep your Calendly availability current so people who click from LinkedIn see accurate time slots. If you manage multiple meeting types, consider pointing to a Calendly page that lets visitors choose the right option. And if you're updating your LinkedIn regularly, it's a good habit to test your links every so often to ensure they still work as expected. That's it. Your Calendly link is now live on your LinkedIn profile, making it easier than ever for people to schedule time with you.